How to fix TikTok message problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem on Android phone. First open TikTok and then here just go to this one, just three lines here and settings and privacy, and then just log out and log in again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then apps and apps again, and here you need to find TikTok. Now go to storage, clear cache, this one, click on it and then just click for stop here and go try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.